Welcome to my channel. My name is Chubby and today I want to share with you my sister Locs journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. The information in regards to the sister Locs will be in the description below. See you after this video. Let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. There will be many more videos coming soon. Stay tuned.